Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to build karma quickly on Reddit. As you can see, I currently have just one karma. That's not a lot, but don't worry. By following these steps, you'll be able to grow your karma steadily. Reddit karma comes in two forms, post karma and comment karma. The names describe how you earn them. Post karma is earned when other users upvote your posts. Comment karma is earned when your comments receive upvotes. Both types contribute to your total karma score, but the methods to gain each are slightly different. Let's start with comment karma. A great way to gain comment karma is by engaging in subreddits you're interested in. For example, if you're a fan of Minecraft, you can join the Minecraft subreddit. Read through the posts and leave thoughtful, helpful, or funny comments. The key is to add value to the conversation. People are more likely to upvote your comments if they find them interesting or useful. Over time, these upvotes will add to your comment karma. Now, let's talk about post karma. To gain post karma, you'll need to create posts that resonate with the Reddit community. One of the most effective strategies is to share content that people enjoy, such as your gaming experience while playing a specific game. Subreddits, which is full of gaming content, are perfect for this. Find or create a high-quality image or video and post it in a relevant subreddit. Make sure to follow the rules of the subreddit before you post to avoid getting your content removed. The amount of karma you earn depends on how popular your post or comment becomes. Posts or comments that receive a lot of views and upvotes will give you more karma. Timing can also play a big role. Posting when the subreddit is most active can help your content reach more people. Another tip is to be consistent. Post regularly and stay active in the communities you enjoy. Over time, your presence will grow and people will begin to recognize you. This can lead to more interactions, more upvotes, and ultimately, more karma. I hope this guide helps you build your Reddit karma. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.